My name is Shrinjoy. I'm a student at KCL. I come from India. I've been working professional for like 2.5 years. I worked with Barclays back in India. I wanted to come to London, explore the culture, explore Kings. I heard a lot of things about Kings, and that was something that attracted me as a magnet to the campus. And after coming to the campus, all my things that I imagined, everything was true. Banking and finance is a course which normally deals with investment, portfolio, wealth, risk analysis. At KCL, they teach us in a way that you are exactly working with the real world, right? We also have like very good guest lecturers, Barclays, KPMG, Morgan Stanley, BlackRock. These are some of the best investment firms, and they're coming here to teach us. They're coming here to give us lectures on that. The support system is good. The faculties are absolutely top notch. Communication is very nice. You have the app through which you can communicate. Whenever you're having some problem, you can like go up to anyone and ask, like anyone around, literally anyone around. The campus is located in the central London. You have all the good places around. You can go to the riverside, you can go to the market, you can walk on the streets, and everything is lit up. So in Kings, we have a student account or a student portal through which you can apply to jobs. They have like different websites which are connected to the Kings website, through which you can get all the notifications of the graduate roles, of the M&A programs and all the other student programs or maybe professional programs. If you just peek out of your window, you can see all the firms around you. Best part of being in Kings or choosing Kings is that they don't only focus on theoretical experience, they also give you a practical work-life experience after you graduate. So that is one of the best things that I thought, okay, this is the college and this is the place that I want to be.